Welcome to our channel. If you want to add channels to YouTube TV, follow these step-by-step instructions to customize your viewing experience. Step 1. Open the YouTube TV app on your device or visit the YouTube TV website in your web browser. Step 2. Sign in to your YouTube TV account using your Google credentials if you are not already logged in. Step 3. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen to access account settings. Step 4. Select Settings from the drop-down menu to view your YouTube TV configuration options. Step 5. Navigate to the membership section and look for the option to manage your base plan and add-ons. Step 6. Browse through the available add-on packages such as Sports Plus, Entertainment Plus, or premium networks like HBO or Showtime. Step 7. Select the add-ons you want by clicking Add to Base Plan next to each channel package. Step 8. Review the additional cost for each add-on, confirm your selection, and complete the payment process. Your new channels will be available immediately in your YouTube TV lineup. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.